Hey, so I'm Owen, I'm the CEO at Slamcore. And in my view, one of the biggest challenges in generative AI in the logistics industry is clearly it is going to revolutionise the way we do things. It is one of the most exciting, if not the most exciting technology that we've developed in the last, gosh knows how many years. But the reality is that those models are only useful if you have the right data, and there's a real problem, a real lack of data, genuine, real-life, real-world data being used to train these models and to be deployed at the edge. So one of our kind of special things that we're doing right now is we have a box with a camera which rolls around on forklifts. We get huge amounts of data being generated every day. We did a trial on 10 forklifts the other day. We got 1,000 kilometers of travel just in 5 days. So we are capturing 15 frames a second, 24/7. So we are capturing more data than most robots have captured in a lifetime, and that's going to be key to these models being successful in the future. Because if you're not seeing all the edge cases, if you're not seeing real-world deployments with all the gnarly things that go wrong, then all you're doing is creating idealized models which don't actually work in the real world. So remember, make sure the data is real. Make sure the data is actually something you can mine, because we also spatially stamp every single image, so we know where the images were captured, not just when. And with that data, we can create models which are genuinely going to change and revolutionise the entire way we do logistics. And we're right at the forefront of it. So yeah, check us out at slamcore.com.